It's a 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. This Accord Hybrid offers refined elegance, technology that keeps you comfortable, connected, and safe, and amazing fuel efficiency. Your friends will be green with envy. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, driver control suspension management, and inline 4-cylinder engine. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
All roads lead to Buick GMC. Call, click, or stop on in today. We're conveniently located at 6600 Auto Center Drive in Buena Park, California.